Hi, my name is Shayna from WTI.
Attention cookie makers, I have the cutest cookie bags for you. These are 3.9 by 3.9 white polka dot cookie or treat bags. I absolutely love polka dot, so I knew I had to have these. This pack comes with 100 bags with 100 super cute thank you stickers with a sweet red heart. What makes these so great is not only are they really cute, but they are self-adhesive. Long gone are the days of having to use zip ties to secure your bags. I had to make cookies for a group of people and I was really happy to have these. I made fairly large cookies and they were able to fit in the bag securely, and they made the cookies stand out because the bag is so cute. So whether you sell cookies for your business or you're giving away cookies or treats for a gift, then you can stand out from the crowd with these bags.
And that's my point of view.